Paris, a city of dreams, love, and history. A place where art, culture, and beauty come together. From its ancient past to its modern charm, Paris continues to captivate the world. But how did Paris become one of the most famous cities on Earth? Let's uncover the fascinating story of Paris, France. Paris was not always a grand city. Long ago, in 52 BC, it was just a small settlement of the Parisii tribe along the River Seine. Then came the Romans. They built roads, bridges, and beautiful buildings, calling the city Lutetia. Over time, it became a major center of trade and culture. As centuries passed, Paris grew into a center of power, art, and revolution. The French Revolution in 1789 changed everything. The people of Paris fought for freedom, and their spirit shaped modern France. Today, Paris stands as a symbol of history, resilience, and elegance. Paris is home to over 2.1 million people, but every year it welcomes millions of visitors from around the world. Parisians come from many backgrounds and cultures, making this city a beautiful mix of traditions, languages, and lifestyles. Walking through Paris, you'll hear French, English, Arabic, Chinese, Spanish, and many other languages spoken in the streets. Paris is also a city of many religions. The majority of Parisians are Roman Catholic. France has a long history with Christianity, and Notre Dame Cathedral is one of the city's most famous landmarks. But Paris is also home to one of the largest Muslim communities in Europe. The Grand Mosque of Paris, built in 1926, is a beautiful symbol of Islamic heritage in the city. There are also Jewish, Protestant, and Buddhist communities that add to the city's diversity. The historic Jewish quarter in Le Marais is one of the most well-known areas, filled with synagogues, bakeries, and cultural sites. Paris is a city where different faiths and cultures live side by side, creating a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere. Now, let's take a journey to some of the most stunning places in Paris. The Eiffel Tower, the heart of Paris. Built in 1889, this iron beauty attracts millions of visitors each year. At night, it shines like a diamond. Did you know it was once considered an eyesore? Today, it's the most famous landmark in the world. The Louvre Museum, home to the world's most famous painting, Mona Lisa. With over 35,000 artworks, this museum is a paradise for art lovers. But the Louvre itself is a piece of art. It was once a royal palace before becoming the world's largest museum. Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. This 800-year-old cathedral has breathtaking stained glass windows and towering spires. Though it faced a terrible fire in 2019, restoration is bringing it back to life. It remains one of the most important religious and cultural symbols in France. The Arc de Triomphe is one of the most famous landmarks in Paris, France. It stands at the center of Place Charles de Gaulle, at the western end of the Champs-Élysées. This massive arch was built to honor those who fought and died for France in the French Revolutionary and Napoleonic Wars. A Seine river cruise is the best way to see Paris. A boat ride on the Seine lets you glide past the city's most beautiful landmarks, from the Eiffel Tower to the Notre Dame Cathedral. Day or night, the view is unforgettable. The lights reflecting on the water create a magical atmosphere. Jardin du Luxembourg, the most beautiful garden in Paris. With fountains, statues, and flowers, this park is a peaceful escape in the heart of the city. It's perfect for a picnic, a quiet walk, or just relaxing under the trees. Families, couples, and artists gather here for inspiration and leisure. The Palace of Versailles, a royal wonder. Just outside Paris, this grand palace was once home to King Louis XIV. With golden gates, endless gardens, and the stunning Hall of Mirrors, Versailles is a symbol of France's royal history. Every detail in the palace reflects the grandeur of the past. Musée d'Orsay, a train station turned art museum. Housed in a beautiful former railway station, this museum is home to Van Gogh, Monet, and other Impressionist masters. It's a must-visit for art lovers. The building itself is just as stunning as the artwork inside. Sainte-Chapelle, a hidden gem of Paris. This medieval chapel is famous for its stunning stained glass windows, which fill the space with dazzling colors. It feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The intricate details are a testament to the craftsmanship of the past. Paris is full of beauty, history, and surprises. Whether it's grand landmarks or hidden streets, every corner of this city has something magical to offer. Paris is more than just a city. It's a feeling. It's romantic, with candlelit dinners and soft music in the air. It's historic, with stories hidden in every street. And it's artistic, where every building, painting, and song tells a story. From delicious croissants to stunning fashion, Paris is a city that never goes out of style. Paris is a city that lives in the hearts of millions. Whether you visit for its history, beauty, or romance, Paris will always leave you in awe. So, are you ready to explore the magic of Paris? Subscribe to Uncover Cities for more amazing travel stories. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite thing about Paris?